Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. It's even Ndunde. If you're new here, you're most welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So it's pretty early, it's 7 something. Well, not so early, but it's 7 something, and I'm currently headed out to work, to town. But I wanted to show you this pair of earrings that I got yesterday. They are so cute. Here are the earrings. This is one pair. I got 2 pairs. This is how this one looks like. It has some diamonds to it, but of course the fake diamonds, and they are the ones that I want to wear today because I want to feel good today. I've had a pretty rough week because I have been very busy. I added another group because the other one got full, so you can imagine so many guys are sending messages here and there, and right now I haven't replied to any of the messages since yesterday. Since I think it was 5, I probably just spoke to about 2 who called concerned about why I am not taking their calls, replying to their messages. Anyway, here are the earrings. I hope you can see them. They're pretty cute. This one has a pattern. So see the pattern? I think it's so gorgeous. I think it's very beautiful. So I wanted to wear 2 of them. I have 2 piercings that I actually got done when I was in high school. Yeah, both of them. Oh my gosh. There is the other piercing. Here is the other piercing, earring. So I think it's pretty cute. And this camera isn't focusing, and it's on autofocus. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna be looking like. And then I want to go get these nails done. I've had this for, this is the 3rd week. Yeah, this is the 3rd week, so I need them done. And this hair, I'll be undoing it next week because it's looking pretty rough. It's rough, but it will take me up until maybe Monday or Tuesday so that I remove it, and that will be 3 weeks. 3 weeks. So yeah, let me head out to town. I don't think there's anything that's happening today, but I've been expecting consignments, but they haven't come in, so I'm hoping by the weekend they will be here. So I'm gonna show you in this vlog as well, so stay tuned. See ya guys, bye, good day. So I have also decided to carry breakfast to town. So let me show you what I'll be having. I want to make coffee, and I have washe and sweet potato and arrowroot that I want to take with me to town. I think this setting is much better because the other one is making me look dark and there's light. So yeah, this is what we are going to be working with. So I'm just kind of warming them with an air fryer here. So here is my air fryer that I'm frying this with. They were in the fridge and I didn't want them to get bad, so yeah, I'm just warming them there, and then I'm gonna make my coffee. So I have my mug right here, the one that I make my coffee with, or the other one, but it's in the room. I have locked it, and here is the coffee that I'll be using. So coffee keeps me pumped up throughout the day because I don't eat. But last night I also had very little. So yeah, and this is very hot water and no sugar. So now the sugar that I'll get will be from the sweet potato. So there, and then this will go to my bag, and then I'll put this in a dish. So here is what I'm carrying and my coffee. Breakfast for the day plus lunch, because I'm not gonna have lunch until dinner. So good day. Hey guys, so it's been a whole week since I did vlog or touch the camera, but that's because I've been busy. So anyway, I had told you that I'll be doing my nails. So these are the nails that I did. Yeah, that's how they look. Very, very beautiful. And then I have a consignment that just came in. Also, I didn't manage to do my nails, but I'll be getting the hair. I'll be doing the hair this week. So maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, by Wednesday, I'll do it. So I have a consignment that just came in. So let's unbox that and see what just came in. This is for Home Imports Group. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link where you can join. And yeah, forgive the noise, niko kwa duka na huku kuna duka zinatengenezwa, kwa hivyo kuna noise kidogo and customers as well. So let me open up the box and show you. It's right in front of you. I'm pumped.
Here we are, straight.
In your TikTok. I knew it. So this is what came in. It's just like last time, the smoothie jars, and yeah, 100 pieces. And I was hoping this is exactly what I would get. So these are 100 pieces, as I said. And yeah, these are the straws. Came in just like last time. So cheers. Hey guys. Oh yeah, I just got back home. So I just got back home not long ago, and there's this thing that I've seen Nahoka. So me I've got, and then I have some bits of spaghetti and what else, and Colgates and nakilia viatu hapo. Then so this is the thing that I got. This very huge glass jar. This one I want to transform here right now, place my spoons in here. So let me wash this one really quickly and then come and put with you. Sindo? But it's so cute. Nimepata hii na 500 and it's because of bargain from 800. That's what he was telling me. Lakini hizi ni zile second hand, but really heavy, and the quality I can tell it's very good. It's 100. Kuna place hapo River Road I had seen almost similar to this, but their prices are like 2,000. So vile nimeona hii and then akaniambia bei tu hivi, and I was in a rush. So see, I didn't take any contacts or anything, but ni hapo karibu na past Dubois Road, upite Accra Road, hapo tu chini. So the rest of the things inside nimepata hii the bula, and then I have my coffee mug, and then I got this one because I want to undo this hair today still. And then I have a conditioner here and a leave-in treatment. I think all of them are going for about 700 from my sister's shop, which is in St. Bakita, shop number 7 on Dubois Road. And then these are the braids that I'm gonna use, but I did call Mama Sylvia, who is the lady who does my hair, not the good one, and she told me that tomorrow she won't be in, so I might undo this hair tomorrow instead of today, ndio niende na nizibebe kesho kutwa. So she needs to confirm still. So hizi ni za kujiosha kichwa. Let me place them hapa and then arrange here. So let's arrange this place. So ever since I bought these ones, they've been like this since then, and I don't really like this plasticky thingy. That's the reason why I got myself this one. So I want to arrange them here, and I might in fact change the color of this and spray paint it to black according to how I'll find it. So this one might just be temporary, but yeah, we have this looking like this. Let me change, and it's in fact a perfect size. See that? From this to this, I think these ones look much better like this. I love this one. I love this one much better. So guys, this place is getting along quite well. Just look at that. I think I like them in this. I don't know how to place this, to be honest, but I think I like it like that, right? So the air fryer, and then I have easy visu hapa nyuma. I don't use them that often, but I also don't like them in the drawers because of the kids. So I think they're much better zikiwa pale mwisho. And then I have this. There's a way I need to arrange this so that this one, hii design yake ionekane vizuri, but yeah, I don't know. I could also push this one up, and then this one there, and then this here. I mean, it's too cluttered. Anyway, so that's how the place is gonna look like in the meantime. Hey guys, so I'm back home after a very long day, and sijatengeneza nywele just yet, but I will tomorrow. So today the lady didn't come to town. However, I just decided to stay with the cat, and then these are the things that we brought in today as a group. It's a continuation of that video. And so I also got this very cute bracelet sometimes this week. It's so gorgeous, very nice. Has some very good vibes. And so up close is this look at that. I'm so in love with this, you don't even know. I'm so in love with this. And then I have this smaller version of it. It's not an Ndogo, but I do love this one more than I love this one. But they're both the same quality. So this is 30 ounces, this is 40 ounces. Very cute, honestly. But if you see me holding this one, very cute. So next up is this one. I had, I think, 4, but I already sold a few today in town. So I just decided to have one in the meantime because I'm ordering more in the group. This is the milk jar. It's acrylic. And yeah, I have already showed you how to open it. This one, I'm here to try it out with milk, see how that will go. If not, I'll use it for my juices. And so yeah, that's about it. This is my normal water jug. That's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. If you have enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, share widely for guys to join the group, because this group is helping people, it's transforming lives. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Cheers.